Hey, I'm JR here at the Westgate Hotel in the Elvis Suite, thanks to Boss Audio here for CES 2020. Now, I ride motorcycles myself. I don't ride a Harley. I ride a different kind of bike, but there's a lot of Harleys on the road out there. And boy, it would sure be nice to have music playing as you're heading down the highway on your hog. So there's lots of audio options for Harleys. They come with them. You can get a lot of different aftermarket ones, but Boss Audio has a very reasonably priced Harley-Davidson audio kit. It does come with a 4-channel amp and 2 front speakers, and it comes with multiple grills. So this actually works for 1998 and up Harleys. So they've got different grills for the different years of Harleys. So this will fit and look right in the fairing on the front of your Harley. You can also get rear speaker pods for this that fit into the luggage carriers on the back of your Harley, your left and your right bags. And I've talked to a lot of customers over the years at Crutchfield that are planning to cut a hole in their rear luggage rack to mount a speaker. They'll probably use the speaker grills that they come with, and the results are mixed. They don't always look great. They don't always sound great. Boss has that fixed. So they've got a speaker grill designed for the luggage bags on the Harleys. It even comes with a template so you can see exactly what you're going to have to cut out and remove to fit in the speaker and the grill. And once you're done, the fit and finish is really nice. So Boss Audio has a solution for you if you're looking for a pretty reasonably priced Harley-Davidson audio kit. This is it. This is JR signing off from the Elvis Suite at the Westgate Hotel, CES 2020.